Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Thursday, 9th April 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets rallied sharply, with the Dow surging 2.8 to 2.9%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq gained around 2.4 to 2.8%, driven by a strong risk-on sentiment. The rally was fueled by a temporary U.S.-Iran ceasefire and a sharp drop in crude oil prices, although markets remain cautious due to the fragile nature of the truce. Asian markets opened slightly lower to cautious, with most indices seeing mild declines after the previous session's sharp rally. Sentiment remains fragile as concerns over the stability of the U.S.-Iran ceasefire and oil price volatility keep investors on edge. Gift Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,997, thereby indicating a flat to negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices rebounded slightly as concerns resurfaced over instability in the Strait of Hormuz and fragile ceasefire conditions. Gold prices remained largely steady with mild volatility, supported by safe haven demand amid geopolitical uncertainty, though upside remains capped due to a relatively stable dollar and fluctuating oil prices. InfoEdge reported steady growth with Q4 FY26 billings rising to 1,057 crore rupees and full-year billings reaching 3,177 crore rupees. Growth was led by the recruitment segment, while Jeevan Sathi performed strongly, though Shiksha saw a decline, indicating mixed segment performance. NHPC will develop the 1,720-megawatt Kamala hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh, with a total investment of over 26,000 crore rupees approved by the government. The project is expected to significantly boost power generation and includes central support for flood control infrastructure. NTPC has partnered with Électricité de France to explore opportunities in nuclear energy in India. The collaboration will evaluate advanced reactor technology, localization potential, and the overall economic feasibility of large-scale nuclear projects. Recent escalations by Israel, even amid the ceasefire, sent crude prices higher once again, which has affected most Asian markets as they trade cautiously. A flat to negative opening can be expected for Nifty, with supports being at 23,860, followed by 23,560, while resistances will be at 24,100 to 24,310. A consolidation within a range may be expected, with traders looking to book profits after the recent rally. Rising volatility due to fragile U.S.-Iran ceasefire. Oil price swings, supply chain risks flagged by the Reserve Bank of India, persistent FII outflows, inflation concerns, and global growth. Slowdown fears continue to keep sentiment cautious. Cooling crude oil prices post-ceasefire, strong DII buying support, stable forex reserves outlook, RBI's steady policy stance, and improving global risk sentiment after the recent rally could support a near-term recovery in markets. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 2,812 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 4,168 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on April 9th, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.